Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to be a shopper for Shipt. If you haven't already checked it out, if you decide you want to try it after watching this video, I will have a link to my referral code below. Okay, so let's get started. Obviously, this is going to be after you've went through all of the pre-approvals and you've gotten approved to be a shopper for Shipt, and you've downloaded your app. Chances are you've already logged into it, so if you open your app, it should open right up to the front page, and on the very first page you're going to see a bunch of different orders. These are going to be for your local area and your metro area. Now if you click on any town, for me it's Lancaster, then it's going to give you a drop down of all the orders that's available in your area. First thing you're going to want to do is review the miles, the pay, the quantity of items, whether it's prepay or if you have to pay with your card, if it's early drop-off or early delivery, or if you just drop it off, or if the customer would like you to contact them when you get there. All of this information is right there. It's going to give you, if you hit the three dots on the side, it is going to give you approximately the drive time, and it will also give you an estimated time for the whole order to be completed. It's going to give you a window from like 1 to 2 o'clock or 2 to 3 o'clock, so you're going to know how much time you have if you claim that order to get it completed and delivered to the customer. Okay, so after you have looked at all the items, looked at all the information, and decided whether or not you want to accept that order, once you have found one, you are going to claim the order, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to claim this order? You're going to claim it. Next thing you're going to do is it's going to give you an option to review your order. If you want to, at this time, you can review it. I tend to do that before I even accept the order. But then you're going to swipe head to the store. This automatically sends a notice to your customer and lets them know that you are on your way to the store to start shopping for them. Once you arrive at the store, you're going to see a little box at the bottom that says send intro. This is your initial text to your customer saying who you are and that you are going to be their shopper. I send that before I even start shopping. Alright, now that we've introduced ourselves, the next thing you're going to do is hit that start shopping button. Once you hit the start shopping button, the items will come up that you need to start shopping for. You are going to go through the store and you are going to pick each item that the customer has requested, and you are going to scan the barcode on the back of each item and put it in your cart. It is going to ask you for the quantity. If they want more than one, you will have to put in the quantity that the customer has requested. Alright, so after we have shopped for all of the items on their list, you are going to hit review order. And after you've reviewed your order, it is going to ask you to process your order. Once you hit process, it'll tell you to go to your checkout. Now, the nice thing about Shipt is you can actually go to the self-checkout, which is awesome. So you go to self-checkout, you scan the barcode if it is a prepay, and then the cashier will come over and she will verify that everything on your list is in your cart, and then you simply bag it. You don't even scan it through or anything. How simple is that? I absolutely love it. Now if it is not a prepay, then you will scan it just like you normally would scan any other, if you were going through the checkout with your own groceries, and then you will slide your card to pay for it. Okay, once you do all that, you're going to confirm the receipt, and then you're going to load your groceries into the car. Now, there are times when you're going to need to make replacements, but we'll go over those in an upcoming video whenever we do a tips and tricks video, because I'm sure I'm going to get one of those done soon. All right, so once I have all of my groceries loaded into my car, I am going to send another text to my customer letting them know that I am done shopping their order and I'm on my way. Then I'm going to start my delivery. Upon arrival, I am going to simply tap on the arrived button. I'm going to deliver my groceries to my customer, and the one nice thing about Shipt is your customer is able to give a little bit more direction of exactly what they want you to do, whether they want you to leave them outside the garage or on the front porch. So make sure you pay close attention to the customer's directions as they have put it in the app. After you've done that, you simply hit swipe to complete and you're all done. Okay, so a few things to note about Shipt. Shipt, unlike other grocery delivery apps, does not include your customer's tip. That is the Shipt pay estimate only. So on my order, as you've seen that I did, it was an estimate of $16 to $20 was my pay, and it would take me approximately 48 minutes to complete. That's pretty good pay. But the day after, I received a $5 tip from my customer, which made my payout actually $22.23. So, not bad, huh? And I did it in less than an hour. I think it actually ended up taking me around 44 minutes. So not bad at all. So the big thing to remember here is it is not like the other shopping apps. Your tip is not included, and you will probably get it up to 48 hours later. Sometimes I've even gotten them a week later. Okay, if you have found this video remotely at all helpful, please go down in the comments, drop me a comment, let me know if you have did Shipt, what your experience is. I love hearing from you guys. And remember, if you plan on trying it, my referral code is below, and we will see you in the next one.